What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing the top 5 tools that I think everybody should have in the garage. I don't know if you should really have them. I mean, they just make my life a lot easier, so I thought I'd make a video on the top 5 things. It's really hard to choose just 5. I was thinking about doing 10, but I didn't want to make the video too long and bore everyone. This one's just going to be a nice little short video, just as a little extra content. Plus, I might have not been able to fit 5 things, so I had to put 6 in there. So there's a bonus one right at the end. Number 1 we got on our list, air hammer, but not just air hammer, but a smoothing bit on the end of it. So that way it actually acts like a hammer. It actually works really well for hammering out ball joints and tie rod ends when you have to hammer against the knuckle, or just breaking bolts loose in general. I love that flat bit. I got the idea from South Main Auto. Next thing is my wire strippers. I was trying not to pick so many electrical tools because I have so many that I love, but these, you put the wire in and it strips. It's like the best thing when you're in a tight area or you don't want to like yank and hit something. I don't know, there's something about them, it makes my life so much easier. Next thing, yes, it's another wiring tool. This is actually for crimping open barrel connectors. It's really helpful for when you're making new electrical ends and wanting to do factory ends crimped on. Volkswagen especially, they are really common with having to replace connectors because they all break. Number 4, not really technically a favorite. I mean, these are just really handy to have. They're meant to go around the hose and then pull. This mixed with silicone spray makes everything so much easier in the world. Like, especially when you're working on Volkswagens. I mean, I know I'm mentioning Volkswagen a lot, but Volkswagen can be a pain to work on. If you guys know, anything you go to get a hose off of is like usually a really tight fit and a pain to get in a tight space. Number 5, Volkswagen, again, I know, sorry guys. V-Gate Scan VS450, I guess it's called. This thing is kind of like Vadcom, but in a little handheld thing. It was like 40 bucks on Amazon. I love this thing. I'm thinking about doing a review on this thing. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on this thing. It's one of my favorite tools. I don't have to get my laptop out anymore and scan the car. It doesn't show live data, but at least I don't think so. I haven't really read the manual on it. But not having to bring out the laptop just to read airbag lights and other things is so much better. It just puts it up there in the top 5. I don't have to go getting all these cables ran just to read something on the computer. I just grab this thing. Plus it works as an OBD2. And I know I said 5, but bonus number 6, my engine hoist. I use this thing so much. I pull so many things with it. Almost every other day is like a motor being pulled out. 1, 2, 3 motors just laying around the garage. So yeah, number 6, actually probably number 1 on my list, engine hoist. This thing has more than paid itself off. 200 bucks. I pulled numerous motors. That is it for this one, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what we do, subscribe. How hard is it? Just subscribe. That's all you gotta do. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. I really want to hit 3,000 and keep going. So if you guys keep mashing that button, go ahead. If you guys have a suggestion on a video, put it in the comments below. And let me know what your favorite tool is in videos. If you guys want to see any extra content that I don't film, and I post pictures almost every single day on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at awskater23. See you guys.